Hi everybody, this is Jay Love and I'm back again. And basically, I'm talking about dual audio sound that comes on the pretty much the S9, the S9 Plus, the S8, S8 Plus, and also the Note 8 and pretty much all the Galaxy phones that are actually coming. So yeah, I pretty much paired two Bluetooth speakers. I had the S9, so yeah, so I kind of wanted to give y'all this video to show y'all, how does it sound, okay? So basically how you get to this option is make sure you go to Bluetooth, and then also once you turn both Bluetooths on, also all you have to do is just click on the top. It has like three little lines. Click that, and then also click merge, okay? And once you click merge, then it'll automatically you turn it on, and then you'll get that dual audio type of sound from both Bluetooths that will definitely be playing at the same time. So yeah, you can do this with any type of speakers as long as they're Bluetooth. But I'm pairing two Bluetooths together, and they're both by Black Web. All right. Also, make sure you all subscribe to the channel, keep up with all the new videos, and also give me that thumbs up, letting me know y'all like this video, and hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think. All right. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm giving y'all two videos, all right, that's giving y'all that dual audio type of sound, all right, through Bluetooth. So yeah, all right. So let's jump straight into it. Is that a small one sound? That's how the big one sounds. That's how it sound together. That's how the small one sounds. And that's how the big one sounds. And I got both of them connected. That's how it sound together.